Good day, guys. How you doing today? I'm here in Nigeria. I think it's 15 o'clock on a Saturday. Woo! Today we'll be facing a series of courses. I call it CodeWars Daily, whereby we would look for a challenge and solve it in various languages programming. I see on my screen we have Python, PHP, React, TypeScript, JS, JavaScript, Java, C++, C. Other ones you can see like Scala, like Ruby, like C Sharp and so on. So we'll look for a problem and solve it in all the languages we see there. Test, because it's about CodeWars. Are you ready? All right, let's go. That's just how when I saw here on CodeWars. I'm using CodeWars. I'm going to go type in CodeWars.com, and easy to do. So one I saw today is level 8. So begin from the lowest one. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's going to be a series. So it's day 1. All right, let's get going. Now we're showing here. Take an array and remove every second element from the array. Always keep the first element and start removing with the second element. So how will we solve this? So we'll keep, remove, keep, remove, keep, thereabout. So how do we solve it in Python? First of all, we have to we'll define a function, of course, called remove every other. Return keywords, and then we'll say my list, calling the attributes, then want the second word, that's second. So if we print it out and put in the function name and try to see if we can bring in, let's do a case study and copy out the example they gave to us and paste it in here. Let's remove this stuff, and let's run. Okay, it worked. So we've done in Python. Let's go to the next one. Let's start doing it in JavaScript. Let's see. Now in JavaScript, we have defined a function called remove every other. Now remember, in JavaScript, they love using it together. Remember, in coding, we don't allow word space. For instance, let's say now the name of the function is called remove every other. So you won't see remove space every space other. Either you put them together like remove every other, or remove underscore every underscore other, or in some cases once to work I see something like remove hyphen every hyphen other, but I love using underscore all together. So we'll use a filter function to keep only elements at even indexes, and if the element can be divisible by 2, we'll keep it. How to do that quickly, without any much ado? We use return keyword, then bring in the attributes parameter array, then the filter method, then we do underscore I, sorry, underscore, that was an network issue, network challenge. So if I is divisible by 2, then you should keep it. Always end the JS with a semicolon. So let's do print out and see console.log, just to be sure that what we're doing is just log, then we'll bring in the what we had there, the same parameters, and see, test and say, remove the extras here, and let's test and see. So you see, keep attempt. Oh, so it worked. So the next one I want to do would be, let's next. Okay, let's try and solve it with PHP. I love PHP. So in PHP we're gonna use array filter to keep the elements where element is even. Remember, this is our instruction. So we'll keep an array and remove the second array. So we'll keep the elements when it's even. So we'll do this. Just quickly do this. We'll do array underscore filter keeps elements where index is even. Okay, then we'll bring in okay, so bring in so return array values, values, array values, then bring in the array filters, then the parameter which is the picture likes in the dollar sign. Let's call them array, ARR in short. Array no, my screen should be I. Then after that, what comes next? We would if I is divisible by 2 and an even number, what we'll do is we would array filter use both. You know, PHP is kind of is an archaic language, but I love it. Just test our skill and see. Keep the big screen. Yeah, so that's how we would do. Okay, that's what we're gonna do for this. And let's see. Let's test. How do we test in? Let's print our code move the function. So remove. Of course, I remember before now. I copied it before now. Let's copy it again and see and paste. Okay, that's pretty much about that. So let's. Was it difficult? Okay, unexpected percent. Pass error, which is it shouldn't be this. It ought to be dollar sign. Yeah, let's see again. Well, the identifier, which is use both. Array filter. Oh, sorry, to be one word. Array filter underscore. So it's array underscore filter underscore use both. Remember I told you before now that we don't use space. It should be one word, all mixed together. Oh, it's run now. Attempt. Okay, I added array values to it. Okay, you didn't want me to reindex the array. Okay, that's why. Okay, 0 equals to 1. So ought to print 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's move that from there. Let's see. Yeah, I should work out now. Let's print and test and see. Okay, attempt. Oh, it worked. Good. Alright. So next one I want to do, go back again to it. Let's do it now with Ruby. I think they have Ruby here. Let's try Ruby and see. Ruby. So how we'll get this done would be, so we'll select elements where index is even. So the name of the parameter inside of the parentheses array.select.width underscore index. Then the curly brace, give a space, you put a stroke underscore comma I a stroke dot even. And print remove other, unless no, it ought to be the square bracket. I think don't use print, they use put, I think so. Then you end by saying dot inspect, remove every other. Okay, let's test and see. Okay, I missed I. Ought to be I dot even. So array dot select dot with index, then curly brace. Yes, let's see again and see. Okay, it worked. Good. Okay, next one, let's do it again with Scala. Let's try Scala and see. Oh, object scatter def remove t list. So how do we do it? How do we start? We'll begin by let's change this thing they have here and write it again. It's kind of confusing, so let's do remove every other app, then we'll def call it in. So remove def remove every other app array string array string keep elements with even indices. Oh, that's my AC. I think it's manufacturing is non-functioning. Oh, okay, let's leave that for now. Zip with index dot collect. Case vi. No, if it's divisible by 2 and an even number goes to 0 is even, then print ln, remove every other array, and let's bring it back. I think, yeah, bring it back. Yeah, okay. So now you have, since this, I think we transformed the into a tuple, which is, so how can you make it? Let's make it, no, sorry, I can accept both. Let's make it generic and set both lists and integers. How do we do it? Would say okay, we'll do this. And change the string to A. A is a type parameter for generic. Now it works for both list, string, and any. Okay, hopefully it's solved now. Test and see. Okay, it's run. She remove hello, goodbye, hello again. She return hello, hello, hello. Return, remove goodbye, and it removes goodbye. With the numbers, remove that. Okay, attempt. Oh, Scala gave us challenge actually, but it's very good. We solved it! Woo! Okay, let's play another one. I love the challenge. Let's see. Rust. Okay. Oh my God. Unsign, ampersand U8. So let's begin. Iter. Now filter. We use the filter function to keep only the elements where the connection is true. So filter by doing filter and v stroke. So if the number is an even number, zero. So yeah, we'll check if the value is even. When we are done with that, okay, so we dot filter. And done with that, we don't need to use map here. We already have the values. So we use copy method to turn the U8 into, to remove the ampersand and turn it into U8 alone. So use the dots, copy, just flow with me, okay? Just copy it, do that. When copied, we would use collect to collect all the filtered value into a new word, a new VEC. That, so we use that collect to get it going. Okay, let's try and see how it goes. I think we are done. Let's print out and see. So fn main example input an array of numbers. So let's do let input U8 6, right, what we have there, then assign to, let's try non-numeric 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's call the func with a slice of the array. Let's result remove every other. Print the result. Print ln. Oh, we're almost. That's how we print result. It's supposed to give us output of 2 4 6. Oh, print. A lot of errors. Okay, number 12. Help use assign if you meant to assign by passing the type for input. Number 12. Let's input 8 6 equals to 1 2. That it's U8. Okay, let's go again and see what it did here, hopefully. So ampersand v iter at filter v2 copied collect fn main let input results. What's our test case here? Okay, it's giving me some series of error here. Or is it concatenation? My concatenation is very aligned. Okay, because I wrote this. So in Rust, when you declare a fixed size array, the type is T(n), and the type T is a type T with length n, not Tn. So it should be input U8. Okay, not comma, it's semicolon. I think so. Okay, yeah, that's why. Okay, it failed. So why did it fail actually first? Why did it fail? Result. How do we? My test sample failed. It's my test. It failed woefully, man. Oh wow, time is gone. Test. The cutter expects me to remove every second and then by index. Correct code should be. I'm doing the best I can now. Let's make it bigger parameter. Make it to 10. To be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And which will give us 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Right, is 9. I removed this. It enumerates. So use enumerates function. No, indentation is very important. Filter. I comma underscore. Okay, let's use the map.map. Collect, let's see. It's still failing. It's still failing. It's still failing. Okay. Oh. This attribute shouldn't be that way. let me make sure it can suit both strings and integers. It's filling left equals right. Left 1 2 3 1 2 3. Left 1 2 5. The right is correct, which is 1 3 5 7 9. Left is not. Okay, I think so. Okay. I use this. It's right hand sign. The modulus. I think, yeah, modulus was going to be so. Oh, it worked. Woo, hippie. All right. Good. Okay, that was good. We're done with that. The next one we want to do should be with. Let's do again. What this next we'll do will be. Let's do Java. Yeah. So we're gonna do it. Love Java is really nice actually. Okay. First thing first, public class cutter. We will remove every other element from the array of the objects, and we'll start. We use param. Array of the inputs array of the object cannot be null. To create a new array containing only indices, even indices. So we have the public static objects, remove every other object, blah. Let's begin. So we'll create a dynamic list to store the results by saying list angle bracket objects results assigned to new array lists angle brackets close, then this and it's your semicolon of it. After which we will look through the array and use the increment by 2. So we skip every second element by doing, so we use for int I equals 0 and I is less than array, the length of I is like, it makes me remember JavaScript. Yeah. Then I plus equals to plus equals to 2 increment results add results I choose to add only elements at even indices. So return the result to convert the result list back to an array. Return results to array new object. Okay, because I print by saying if that just print just tests and say it should give us keep. Okay, it's a mistake somewhere. I didn't use this, so I is equals to recommend 0. It's to be semicolon. New array list, which is here. So list objects result assigned to new array list. Okay, for int I equals 0, I. Okay, don't give a stick of the space. Symbol catalyst list. Cannot find symbol. Plus equals to 2. Add. The new array lists. What might I do right here? Okay. Let's see. Okay, we need to import. Okay, I think we need to import lists, array list, and other utilities. That's why it's because said it cannot find the symbol. Let's go above here and import the Django import. So import java.util I think this would what I need to do to report it. Let's see. Oh, it ran. Okay. So what next? Good, submit. Alright, let's do again. And let's solve it now in Haskell. So we'll keep every second element starting from with the first. Remove every order a. Remove every order Okay. Okay, let's see. So we'll remove stroke. This kind of seems similar to so zip even okay, it shouldn't be curly brace. Yeah, curly brace, it ought to be a square bracket. Okay, main equals print, remove every other, and do the keep remove. It's taking far longer than I expected. Well, let's see how it goes. We are still on it actually, okay? So no challenge, man. So we said in line 4, remove every other x. My set code has a typo in list comprehension. So I wrote comma instead of this. So let's fix it. So we have x1 zip code. Okay, oh, that was why. So zip code xs00 even as I. So each pair element with its index we have a call, and someone is calling me. Okay, let's get done with Haskell. What's okay, the next one we do? We've done yet again. Oh my lord. Haskell, we do that. I think pretty much actually. Okay. The function that remove every second element from a list. We'll create a new list using the list comprehension, and we'll start at index 0 step by 2. So we keep 0 2 0 2 4 6 8 blah with the list comprehension by saying return for var I equals 0 I less than my list dot length I plus equals to 2 my list of I. Okay, that's what we need to do for that. Let's see. Okay, he's giving us undefined name my list. You didn't define my list. We had my list. Undefined name. So hopefully dynamic other list. My list. So this is not to be. Yes, so it's I for var I equals 0 semicolon I less than my list dot length length then I plus equals to 2. Close it my list I. Undefined name my list. at least capital letter. Okay. That was also it's case sensitive. That's why. We test and see. Oh wow. Yes. Woo! We're going. That's right. Make some noise. Woo! Okay, what next? Don't get submit it and see. Submit it. Okay. Go to the next one. C sharp. Wow. So using system and using system dot collections dot generic. So this method that removes every second element from the array. Okay, we'll create a list to store results. Just create a list to store results by doing list results. Then we'll look through the array. Look through the list, stopping by 2. So this is some similar thing we did for JavaScript and for Java, the for loop. What we'll do is this. So we'll do the for loop by saying for int I was 0, then I is less than array dot length, then I increment I increment 2. Come down and do the curly brace, break it down. No. This one back here. We say results dot add array I. I'm done with that. Leave the for loop. I come out of the for loop and convert it back to the array. Then just convert list back to an array and return result to array. Oh, me now. Pastor boy. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Then show error. Object does not contain a definition for length. Not accessible. So length. Did I spell the length well? Sorry, it's caps lock. So they're all case sensitive. LENGTH. Let's see again. All right. Woo! It went. Okay. As for C#, that's good. Submit. That's good. 6 1 1 line of code. let's do again and see. Let's do again. Let's do again. And let's do now for COBOL. Wow. Strange. Where though? Okay, let's just see. The COBOL was one of the ancient programming language. When I was still in primary school, we thought it was COBOL, common business-oriented language. We have Fortran, formula translation, arithmetic. Yeah, language. I think there are 3. Pascal, basic, beginners, all. I mean, thereabouts. Basic, Fortran, COBOL. Now to modernize COBOL solutions to match that. So let's see. See what it looks like. Very scary. Not scary, Shy. Not scary. Okay, data division, linked section. So we'll start by we'll define the input array with a variable length. O5 array length equals 30 times modify array in place. Okay, x5 take this down. I2, so let's change to x. Consider division using array. Okay, what we'll do is this. We would index variable by doing I think declare I peak, bring the 9 to here. Then we would loop through array step by 2. Let me use small letter. I love caps lock. Let's try caps lock. Perform varying I from by 2 until I is greater than R length. Then we'll display XSI. And we will end perform we'll go back. Makes no sense. It's being indented like this. Correct. It looks scary. Declare. Declare I. This one. Oh no, not again. Depending on array length, procedure. Okay, since it's not enough, let's change it to working storage section. Index variable must be declared here. We have O1. Then procedure. Procedure division using ARR. We will look through array step by two, a form varying I from 1 by 2, I greater than lens display and perform, go back. Okay. Varying is not VARY. Indicator line 17. Indicator P at the column 7. I is not defined. Line 19. I is not defined. Indicator P at line 17. Procedure division using array. But that's, let me take it back. Linking section. Procedure. I really not defined. I really okay. Wait, should be defined. Okay. Okay, you guys define everything. Define this one here. What else would define? I not defined. Define I. 01. 01 is here for ORR. Okay, when we in strict order, COBOL is failing because division order and name issuing will be strict. We didn't allow hyphen variable. The name is I declared array length. Okay, that's why. Let me use this nut once and change this nut did here. Okay, so P is missing. Let me see the code again. Mission, move order. Carry this, put it under data division with space here. Index 01. This must be the same way. Pix 29 linking section defining field yes 01 array length pick 2 XL occurs 30 times depending on array length. We have procedure. Loop through an array, perform a variant from I to 1, 2 until I. Okay, that's why. And 20. Okay. Procedure division. That was why. The division. Everything should be caps lock. I think that's why. Let's make all caps lock. Let's see. Identification division. Okay, that's why. Program ID should be caps lock too. Program ID. This should be caps lock, not small letter. division. Let's see if it does any more testing. Procedure. Line 20. Let's continue. Working storage section. I will find which there. Working storage section. We want pick 2. Linking section 2. Linking section. No, linkage. Define the input array with length, variable length. It should be ARR. Let's do it on ARR length. Copy this and change this to this. Pix 2. When the Pix 2 should become the caps lock. Caps lock. Number 2 Pix X2 XS occurs 30 times, so occurs should be caps lock. Occurs 30 times depending on arm's length. Depending on arm's length, so consider using using 2. And I did not burn that devil. Stop me. My core self. Show me the error too. So P is missing at something. In line 18, procedure PROCEDURA. Procedure division header missing. Line 20. Where did I get this wrong now? Let's see. Can I use Copilot in this thing? Going to come from indentation column. Okay, indentation. Move this thing safe from there. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. I want to link code to 01i linkage ri. The notation should be correct. Have the perform display and go back when the end should be provision division. End program uppercase. think I have to. Oh, what did I do? Let's see. No, let's see if it work out. Let me pause this thing and I use myself. Should be in the video. Should be. Okay, so let's solve it. P. Okay. P is missing at column 7. Let's copy this here, paste it below. Let's do it for 2 more parameters. Let's try J and 2. Linkage A, R, 5, our length, X length. Okay, this is numbers 9 instead of X 30 times. Let's add to it this, let's say, move 1 to 3, to 3. A form varying 1 I from 1 by 2 until I is greater than array length. Move, then will then move XS I to XS J. That would add 1 to 3. Subtract 1 from 3 and move J to array length. I'll take it back inside indent. Then you go back from end program. Of course, end program all in caps lock. Test and see from FR OM I think it's not aligned, that's why it's not aligned together. Let's see. Go back. You see, it's not aligned. Okay, so now with this 10th 1 2 3 4. So I'm now all should follow 1 2 3. Okay, ought to be 3, not 4. 3. Jesus. Column 7. It's not supposed to be here. Let me get here more further. Okay. Correct. And 18. invalid move target 3. So it's not 3, it's to J. It's not 3, it's to J. I move 1 to J. It's J. Move 1 to J. It's J. Test and see. Woo! Good. Yeah, we did it, guys. We're going to take drink and have fun, okay? Submit, man. Alright, which is next to go? C. Okay, it's gonna be good. Okay, let's see. C++, C sharp. Okay. Let's do this. So we copy elements at even index 0 to 4. So we just do the 4 size t I 0, then I less than star I plus equals to 2. This should be away from here. Array. J++. Then let's use the 4, right? Oh no. Stand though. But let them updates. Length to the new size by doing asterisk length J. Okay, I'll do the int main by the function curly brace. Let's run now. It shouldn't be hard. Let's double it. size t size of remove remove every other size array for size t I equals 0 I less than size I plus plus print f. Okay, print f for the use. Print f percent s remember this one. Should I just make my guys? Done 0. Let's see. Whew. Okay. Error use of undeclared identifier array in 7 ji array j plus plus. So void remove every let's see this one. Let's see. So size t length int array length for size t. I didn't even declare that first of all. Can you imagine? Let's declare it. Let's declare it and see. So size t j equals 0 is a new index for the compacted array. Sorry. Okay. Then for size only come off over here. You understand line like this. Code they use, double quote, not single quote they use. Okay, line 16 expected semicolon. Okay, end of it. Line 19. Incompatible pointer type passing char 6. Okay, that is char 6 there. Sign 16. One, two, three, four, five, six. That is 6. Okay, that's 5. Let me use 5 on this one. What they give me. Okay, line 19. Line 3. Okay, line 3. Okay, let's use name, give it to. Okay, let's change this one to what they give us. This one. I'm passing the char. Studio.io function size t length int array length sj 0 for I equals 0, I less than array j equals array I, j plus length char keep. Let's use numbers that they give us safe. Give us numbers. I'm using the task. Can you imagine? Okay, let's see. What I'm doing wrong here. Initialize my main code where okay for size t I on those two j equals I j plus plus increment. Okay, so jar move this. Okay, it's an array, not a character. Okay, that's let's see. Line 20. Remove other size and put the IO0 plus. Portable pointer saying where is 0 now coming from now? I declare this. I mean void remove this. Okay, I'll cut that one out. Okay, let's see. It's supposed to run like this now, eh? It's not going though. Okay. This BF now, I don't understand this BF will bring fuck. read character only one by one until the non-incremental is 0. Use call flag 0. Impute stream of is non-terminated. Move every second character from the input. Okay, let's see. So I hate this language, Seth. Our next class will hold will be the day 2, and would then enter. Class will be day 2, and there we'll enter another one we called 7, and do, of course, more of them and see how it goes. That's how we get better. The more you program, the more you get better and better and better. All right. Thank you.